Hey everybody, this is Chris with ORBTraders.com. I'm going to go over the September 10th trade plan for Wednesday's action. I'm going to start out just looking over Forex Factory and the news. Core PPI is coming up an hour before they open. So I am going to do one of the pass a eval in 1 day attempts with the data straddle option or strategy. If you are interested in that, check out the YouTube channel. There is an instructional guide on how to do that with NinjaTrader. And then in terms of the other events, there's really nothing major going on to really note. I guess you've got wholesale inventories 30 minutes in, and then crude oil an hour in to the open. And then Thursday, CPI 1 hour before the market opens. So I will be looking to do the data straddle tomorrow. Maybe on Thursday we'll see how things go. Usually I am not streaming and in the office on those days. But let's just jump right into the levels and trade plan for tomorrow. I don't feel like there's going to be a ton of changes here. Just our typical adjustments to our prior day low, prior day high. We'll mark out our current week low and high, and update the overnight open level since we are now in the extended session. So the low for the NASDAQ during Tuesday's 9/9 RTH session was 23,726. And then our high, we're going to go ahead and move this over. Our high was at 23,890s. And of course, like I just said, we have our overnight open. And I'm just going to add the rollover lines to make it so I can see this a little bit easier here. There we go. So our open is at 898.5. So we got a prior day high, prior day low. Last week's high was tagged during settlement. The other levels I said I want to put on here, still keeping the gap from Friday to Monday on there. Our current week high, technically during RTH session, it is the high that we just set. So I'm just going to leave that. And our current week low, if we were to pull Sunday's overnight level, I'll just put this in here, current week low. I'm going to make this orange. That just helps me know this is for the overnight session. That was at 650s and a quarter. And I think that's pretty much it. I'm going to also actually just mark out 630. This is the data print. This is, what did I say, PPI? Yep, PPI. We'll just put this on the bottom. And we'll switch over to the ES. Same type of adjustments. So we'll move our prior day low. 89.25s. Prior day high. They also add on the rollover levels or lines just to make this a little easier to see for the overnight open. So we opened up at 32 quarter. And then let me also just adjust for the cash close. I will just go up to here. 28.5 to settlement. I've been really trading the ES anyways, but it's good to know where we are at in relation to price with the ES and the NQ. Still holding the fifth support zone. Long targets are above us at 72s. Current week low still also similar to the NQ back on Sunday morning during the overnight hours. So I'm going to adjust that. 64.80.25. That is pretty much it. We'll just continue to do the same strategy as always. Today we did have initially an orb short on the ES. Very nice. Of course, there were some fake outs, so you got to be careful. Watch your internals. Keep your size in your risk management aligned to your account and to your risk tolerance. Along with the NQ, very similar action. We definitely started a spike from the lows, kind of chopped around. This is around the Apple release time, and ended above the opening range. And we took out the London and Asia sessions. So good bullish day, good trades overall. I'm going to continue again with the typical 15-minute range strategy. I may do some scalps inside those 15 minutes. It just depends on what's going on. I do like to go with the traditional trades, but sometimes opportunity presents itself within those first 15 minutes. If you are a new trader, I would really recommend sticking to trades after the first 15 minutes get set, and then start looking for some confirmations with internals before you just jump in. It can help keep you out of a lot of the chop that happens in the morning. And yeah, I think that's all I really want to go over today. I'll share the chart in the Discord, and we'll see whoever wants to join tomorrow morning. I will be on the YouTube stream, and I may jump in the Discord stream. If not, I'll be on the YouTube stream to start out that data print straddle. I'm going to do a recording and then switch the streams before we go live. I'm not a big fan of having to edit videos again and again, so I like to do it just in one shot. Having a 5-hour recording can make a lot to cut up. But anyways, there's my levels, and we'll see how the action goes overnight. We'll adjust Asia and London high and low sessions, make sure that those are marked out properly in the morning, and then carry on with our trade plan. Hope to see you guys there. If you're new to the channel or watch this on YouTube, you can join the Discord for free. orbtraders.com will link you into the WAP store where you can join the Discord. Again, everything's free. There's nothing for sale here. The indicators, the trade plan, the charts, the stream where I call out my entries and exits, and the checklist along with the Orb Crash Course. Everything's here is for free. I want to make sure that this information is available to new or veteran traders, and take what you would like from this. Hopefully it improves your trading, or you can at least learn what not to do if you see me make a mistake. But yeah, that's it for tonight. Hope you guys have a good evening. Take care.